Good morning, everyone. We're on our next lesson of maths. So this is lesson 3, which is introducing area. The way you're going to do this is you'd go onto your My Maths page, do your first login, click on measurement, find year 4, introducing area, and click on the lesson icon. Once you've clicked on the lesson will appear. So we're looking at area. What is area and how do we measure it? This is a completely new topic. We haven't done it in year 4, so I'll be going through it on the different slide and show you how to work it out. So, the way we'd work area out is by looking at the shape. So area is the amount of space a flat shape takes. So if I look at these the rectangles, and I'm going to put a letter in them. So I've got A, B, C, and D. Which shape has the biggest area? That means which shape takes over the biggest amount of space. So which shape is the biggest? Whenever we write area, we write amount and we write down centimeters squared. Okay? It shouldn't be that, it should be 2. Okay? So centimeters squared. Now, find the area of these shapes. At the moment, these shapes are cut up into squares. So each square, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Each square is worth 1 centimeter squared. So in this case, this shape here has 4 squares, so it's 4 centimeter squares. The second one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 6 centimeter squared. The next one has 4, so it's 4 centimeter squared. Next one has 3 centimeter squared. Again, all we're doing is counting the squares. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's 6 centimeter squared. That's how you do it. Once you've done it on the actual My Maths page, you click mark it and it will give you your answers. Now, here we have a rectangle. It says this side, so at the top here, is 4 centimeters. And this one is 5 centimeters. Now, we could count all the squares. So let's do that method. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So I know that's 20 centimeters squared. Don't know why that keeps doing that. So it's 20 centimeters squared. Rather than counting all the squares, I can also do 4 centimeters times 5 centimeters. That will again give me 20 centimeters squared. On the next slide, you've got similar ones. Best way to do it, you can either count the squares or you could work out the formula. So if I was to go on to this one, I know it's got 3 across. So that's 3 centimeters times 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 centimeters, which equals, so 3 times 4 is 12. And my answer, remember, has to be centimeters squared. Okay? We'll do the next one in a different colour so you can see. This one has 4 going across. So that's 4 centimeters. Sorry about that. Times 2 down. 2 centimeters, which equals 8 centimeters squared. This one here, I'll do it in a different colour again. Let's pick a blue. So I've got 3 going down times, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 3 times 7 I know is 21. It's 21 centimeters squared. Okay, that's the way you could work it out. That's how area is. So area is the amount of space a shape takes. So I'm going to bring you back to the My Maths page. Give me a second. So that's what I've just worked through with you. So you've got those where you're counting the squares. Then you've got to measure the larger shapes. What we did was we did 4 times 5 instead of counting the squares. And then the last one, you've got to match the area. So quick way for me to do it. I know that's got 4 squares. Now I need to find another one which has 4 squares. Then I've got one here with 6 squares. Let's try and find another one with 6 squares. The way I would do it is I'm looking and I'm trying to count. There we go. So that's your last activity, which is matching, okay? Now, I'm going to bring you back to the other slide, and I'm going to leave you with a challenge. Right, so let me just get a new page up. If I had this shape, so I'm going to make a shape now. So I've got this shape, so that's a rectangle. My shape's got this, and then my shape has this. So it looks a bit like a zigzag. So imagine that was all coloured in. Let me see if I can colour it in. So that's all one shape now. There's that, and that, and that. It's all one shape. This is a challenge I'm going to leave you with. The side at the top of this, so I'm going to put it into 3 parts. A, B, C. But your answer should just be one shape, okay? I'm just helping you break it down. So this one is centimeters. That's 2 centimeters down. That's 2 centimeters down. And B is 10 centimeters across. C is 1 centimeter down and 4 centimeters across. How would you work out the area of A plus B plus C? So what is the total area? That is the challenge that I'm going to leave you with. So I'll write challenge on here. Have a go at it and drop your answers either in the email or at the bottom of the page. Hopefully this lesson on area has helped you. It is a bite-sized lesson. If you have any questions, just drop an email or post on the blog, or even just post a comment here. But all the best, and hopefully this helps you actually complete the work on the next activity, which is your My Maths work. Hope you're all staying safe and actually enjoying your learning. Stay safe and take care. Hopefully we'll see you soon.